Good day, Doctor. We are from Creativity and Innovation Group A, Group 2. Today we'll be presenting about our innovation, which is the Smart Cooker. This is our team, which we have 6 people, and me, Ong Xinru, Lok Xiong Yixin, and also Ho Yongting, Ahmad Riza, Eng Nishan, and also Iman Haikal. First, we'll be talking about introduction. The reason of why we are doing the Innovation Smart Cooker is due to UUM context that hostel regulations prohibit electric cooker and cooking appliance due to fire safety concerns. So this means that our students and staff, they cannot prepare their own meal in the hostel. So few key problems identified here are there is a heavy reliance on the cafeteria food, which also can lead into a higher daily cost of living, and people will be having limited control over their diet quality and nutrition, even their meal timing and also schedules. Yes. So that's why we propose the Innovation Smart Cooker, and there are 3 things that we more focus on is design for safe indoor use, especially in the hostel. Second thing, features with low voltage operation, sleek design, built-in smoke system, and also some smart temperature control with multiple cooking modes. This is to enable that is safe, convenient daily cooking when in the hostel environment. Next, I'll be sharing about how this Innovation Smart Cooker is relevant to our UVM students and staff. Majority of the students and staff are residing on campus and with limited cooking freedom. So they are mainly depending on the cafeteria, which will increase their expenses, reduce their dietary flexibility. And this smart cooker able to allow them a simpler and healthier meal preparations. At the same time, it complies with the campus safety regulations. And this is really very important to the students also, especially their academic well-being, which all this can directly impact their academic focus and performance, motivations, and also emotion stability. So for this smart cooker, the benefits is able to improve the nutrition intake, reduce the students' financial stress, enhance convenience to both the students and also staff, which in aligns to support the UUM goal of fostering a healthy, student-friendly academic environment.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Iman bin Muhammad Rafi'i. My matric number is 306877. Today, I will be talking about the problem statement. Okay, the first one is the adverse financial impact on student. So that means they need to spend money every day on cafeteria menu. Let's say they eat 3 times a day. That means the money spending is 3 times higher. Next, there are serious repercussions on student cooking ability. This meaning that if the student is used to cook every day at home, let's say, and if they come to the hostel and they cannot cook at all, this limits their abilities in cooking. Also, there is a safety issue regarding electrical power constraint and general safety. In hostel, the power supply is limited. If you insist to cook in hostel, and then the power supply is oversupply, that will cause a short circuit, and that is very dangerous. Next, it will lead to higher daily cost and limited diet flexibility. To buy from outside, you don't know how much oil, sugar, preservative, and salt they put inside the food. So you can't control your calorie intake precisely. And lastly, there will be an insufficient ventilation, odors and noise pollution, and post-use cleaning. There will be an odor from the smell of the food and noise pollution, because people will know that, oh, you are cooking inside your room, and there will be a problem when you want to clean after you cooking, because the oil will be spread out around the table and around the floor, so it will make it harder for you to clean. For our target audience is UM students, and for our innovation product, which is Cook Rice, a few of the benefit is, number one is it runs on a low electrical power consumption, meaning it won't cost us, or there will be no risk of short circuits while you cook. Second, it is an airtight design and inbuilt smoke and odor prevention, meaning that the foods cannot be spilled. Also, there will be a less smoke from your food that won't trigger the alarms room, and it is odor prevention, meaning that there will be less of smell inside your room. Third is it has a small capacity of 1 to 2 liter. This is very suitable for the students if they want to cook for their own self, or for somebody who wants to cook for 1 meal servings or of portion. Number 4, it is best for steaming, boiling, and slow cooking food. And lastly, you can reduce money spending on cafeteria, since our Cook Rice, you can cook inside your room every day. So you don't have to spend how many times on your cafeteria. You can just buy your raw food or raw material and just cook it inside your room, and it will be super good because you can save more budget. Okay.
The Amboda phase focuses on understanding the daily life of University Utara Malaysia student living in campus hostel, but cooking equipment is prohibited. A survey involving 36 respondents related that 83.3% of students live in share room, resulting in limited space and share facility, and also strict safety regulation. Despite this restriction, 71% of respondents reported cooking in their room, mainly to save money, manage irregular schedule, and maintain healthy eating habits. This indicates that existing food options do not fully meet student daily needs. Safety concerns were significant, with 69.4% of respondents worried about electric overload and fire risks, while 61.1% felt triggering smoke detected. Students also face practical challenges such as unpleasant smell, cleaning issue, noise, and limited space, especially in share room. In terms of preference, most students favor safer cooking methods such as boiling, steaming, and slow cooking. They also prefer small cooking equipment with a capacity of 1 until 2 liters and low power consumption below 800 watts, reflecting their awareness of hostel safety rules. Overall, the findings show that students experience physical, emotional, and financial challenges due to cooking restriction, highlighting the need for safety and more sustainable meal preparation solutions suitable for hostel living. Meal preparation is a persistent challenge among UM hostel students due to policy that restrict the use of cooking equipment. As a result, students depend on canteen, restaurant, or food delivery service, which lead to high cost, limited food choice, and poor time flexibility. The existing food arrangement do not adequately meet student daily needs. Despite restriction, many students still cook in their room, indicating a lack of suitable alternative rather than rigor for safety rules, as traditional cooking tools are not designed for hostel environment. Students face safety concerns due to limited electricity capacity and poor ventilation in dorm room. There's a high level of extension regarding power overload, fire hazard, smoke, fumes, and the risk of triggering smoke detector. The inability to cook freely causes stress and reduce student overall quality of life. Limited control over food preparation negatively affecting emotional well-being and living satisfaction, which is supported by prior research. Students need a safety and practical cooking solution that is suitable for small dorm room and comply with hostel regulation. The solution should consume low energy, produce minimum small and outdoor, and support student health, financial stability, and overall comfort.
Now I will explain the ideal stage. We brainstorm several solutions for students who want to cook in hostel but face restriction and safety concern. To narrow down our ideas, we use four main criteria: safety, low power usage, minimal smoke, and suitability for small spaces. Based on these criteria, we focus on safer cooking methods like boiling, steaming, and slow cooking. Finally, we selected the smart cooker as the best solution because it fits hostel conditions while still allowing students to prepare simple meals. For the prototype design, the smart cooker is compact and uses a sealed lid to prevent steam and oil escaping into the room. It also includes a condensation return mechanism that reduce splashing and keep moisture inside the cooker. To control smoke and odor, the cooker uses an internal filtration system so the air is clean and recirculated internally. In addition, it operates with low power, which is below 800 watts, and has a 1 to 2 liter capacity, making it suitable for hostel living.
For this testing stage, the smart cooker was tested in a hostel-like rooms with limited space and ventilation, and no external exhaust system was used. This setup reflects the real living conditions faced by students staying in UM hostel. During the testing process, we prepare simple student meals such as instant noodles, soup, steamed vegetables, and slow-cooked food. These meals represent common daily cooking activities among students. We focus on several key testing criteria, including smoke and odor levels, power consumption, as well as noise level and ease of use. Based on the testing result, only minimal smoke and odor were observed and no smoke detectors were activated throughout the process. The power usage remained below 800 watts and the cooker operated quietly, making it suitable for shared and hostel space. In terms of advantages, the smart cooker provides strong safety and practicality benefits. Its low power operation helps reduce electrical risk, which is a major concern in hostel environments. The sealed design prevents steam and oil splash, while the smoke and odors are effectively controlled during cooking. Overall, this makes the smart cooker safe for use in enclosed hostel rooms and a practical cooking solution for students living in campus.
Unique selling point. The smart cooker is uniquely designed to meet the needs of hostel environment by using a lower power, fully system that is safe for either use. It features built-in smoke and odor control technology, making it more suitable than traditional cookers. By combining safety, affordability, and convenience, the smart cooker offers a practical and innovative cooking solution for students. Compared to traditional cooking appliance, the smart cooker is purpose-built for hostel use, making it safer and more suitable for students. Benefits to UUM students. The smart cooker helps UUM students reduce daily food expenses by allowing them to prepare meals independently. It encourages healthier eating habits while providing flexibility for busy academic schedules. In addition, the cooker improves safety and peace of mind, ultimately changing overall student well-being. Conclusion. In summary, smart cooker is a new approach to solving the common issue of cooking in the house because it combines smart technology with functionality. It assists the users to save time, conserve energy, and enhance accuracy of cooking besides being safe and easy to use. The smart cooker can be used by busy families, working people, and any other person who want more efficient cooking experience due to its smart control and automated capabilities. On the whole, the smart cooker is one of the new kitchen gadgets that helps to lead a smarter, more comfortable life.